how to use Telegram without phone number. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will learn how we can use Telegram without phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to go and use Telegram without phone number, if I open up Telegram here, the very first thing it actually asks me is that you need to actually enter your phone number here. So you can see the very first thing it's actually asking me is to enter my phone number. And maybe you ask someone who want to go ahead and then use Telegram without phone number. Unfortunately, you can't use it without a phone number. But do not click away just yet, because what happens is that just because you don't have a phone number doesn't mean you can't use it. You might not have a real phone number, maybe you're underage for some reason, but in Google or in many sites out there, they provide you free virtual phone numbers, right? So you can search them up. I'm not going to explain and deep dive into this video because there are high chances of this video getting blocked. So that is why I want you to research a bit upon yourself. You will be able to find all the virtual numbers out there, and then you will be able to go ahead and enter those phone numbers. Tap the arrow icon in order to use that phone number, or you will not be able to use it without phone number. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.